See, that moment where you're enjoying your favorite program on TV, I mean, your favorite show. See, for me, it's soccer. For the madam, telenovela. But see, you really have to go. Have to pee. Now, how do I do that without missing the game? Guess what? With my Samsung smartphone, my Samsung Smart TV, I can take the TV with me wherever I go.
Within the house.
Watch this.
Step 1. Pull down the status bar on your phone. Step 2. Select Quick Connect. And then select TV to mobile.
That is how you take your Samsung Smart TV to your Samsung smartphone wherever you go within the house. Look, once again, this has been Fifi, your Samsung guide, and it's Key K.